The current price of BX is roughly in line with the popular stock-to-flow (SF) system for technical analysis, and if the trend continues, some speculate the price of the asset could reach $1 within the next 2 years. Though the SF tool is still a controversial metric, and various groups have hampered the asset's capacity previously, the market appears nonetheless to be viewing BX as a potential reserve currency of the future. Also read, 5 mining operations command more than 50% of BX's network hash rate. Stock-to-flow analysis, also known as SF, is a relatively recent development in crypto talk, though the concepts of stock and flow themselves are of course not new. The basic idea of SF is that the effect of scarcity on the BX price can be measured using the current circulating supply of Bitcoin and its rate of production or flow. Digitalic.net defines SF as follows: the stock-to-flow is a number that shows how many years, at the current production rate, are required to achieve the current stock. The higher the number, the higher the price. For example, if there is tons of gold circulating in the world, and tons are produced every year, the SF for gold can be calculated by dividing supply by flow to get a figure of roughly 62. The number can then be placed into a formula to find the SF model price. When this is applied to Bitcoin, where the circulating supply is currently just over 18 million and roughly are mined yearly, the resultant number is between 27 and 28. Of course, taking into account Satoshi Nakamoto's locked coins and lost coins, the result would become more favorable. Still, the SF is currently much lower than that of gold, but BX involves an element that gold does not, the reward halving. SF-derived projection shows BX could reach $1 within 2 years. Digitalic.net/BX/effects of the miner reward halving. Since the upcoming reduction in block rewards, May 2020, for miners means that flow will be effectively cut in half, the SF number jumps up much closer to gold's. Bitcoin halvings happen roughly every 4 years, so this number will continue to be sliced in half, and absent major changes, the effect could lead to a continued and remarkable rise in price according to speculators. As analyst and pioneer of SF technical analysis at 100 Trillionus points out, because halvings have such a big impact on SS, I put months until the next halving as a color overlay in the chart. Dark blue is the halving month, and red is just after the halving. Next halving is May 2020. Current SS of 25 will double to 50, very close to gold, SS 62. The predicted market value for Bitcoin after May 2020 halving is $1 tran, which translates in a Bitcoin price of $. At 100 Trillionus SSF chart for gold, silver and BX. //twitter.com/100 Trillionus/status/card as the graphic above illustrates. Gold and silver could also be said to follow the same SF model, the author noting that gold and silver, which are totally different markets, are in line with the Bitcoin model values for SS. Plan S at 100 Trillionus paper contains detailed descriptions of the mathematics used, and makes observations regarding power law relationships. Every halving, Bitcoin SS doubles and market value increases 10x, this is a constant factor. At press time, BX is still following the SF projected trend quite closely. Sharp Bitcoin having 3 months to go. Now above SF model value pick, twitter.com/VHFOT, plan, at 100 Trillionus, February 2. You can read full post on cryptophones. News link available in text below.